Not guilty.
A joyful moment for one mother.
I'm the mom of Shane Casado, not guilty. We knew that the whole time.
Is devastating for another. 27-year-old Shane Casado has been found not guilty of killing his girlfriend, 22-year-old Rachael Wierzbicki. He was charged with both second-degree murder and first-degree manslaughter after shooting Wierzbicki outside his home on Edson Street in November 2018. Zachary Perkins, witness number 2, saw it all happen. He says he was shocked by the verdict.
I wasn't ready for that, and I really didn't think that, it would be the outcome at all.
Casado says he never intended to harm Wierzbicki, that he had fired a warning shot. His attorney.
I think that the reality is that Shane never intended for this to happen, and the jury saw that he never intended for this to happen.
Casado also says he acted in self-defense. He feared for his life, and when he shot Wierzbicki, she was charging towards him.
And there certainly were aspects of justification, and I think the jury got it right.
Perkins says he barely knew Wierzbicki, but he does know that Casado did not act in self-defense.
It happened so quickly. There was no warning shot. It's not like he took a shot, then took a step back and thought, no, if someone's coming at you, you don't take a warning shot. But that's the other part. She wasn't coming at him. She was kicking his car. He followed up on her. He walked up on her when she was kicking his car and shot her. It wasn't like there was no hesitation in what he did. It wasn't like he took a warning shot and took a step back and then fired again. It wasn't anything like that.
Legal experts say those are two critical facts that, depending on how the jury saw it, could have led to the acquittal.
I think the warning shot certainly would have been something that is indicative of intent.
If Wierzbicki were coming at him, if Casado felt his life was threatened.
And there had to be evidence or showing that which I assume there was, that she had threatened him, that he felt threatened, that this was a reaction that was quote unquote justified by the circumstances.
To the prosecution, self-defense just doesn't make sense.
This girl who was considerably shorter, smaller than him is going to somehow threaten him. Like I said, it's ridiculous.
Regardless, for the first time since March of 2019, Casado walks free. Olivia Proya, 7 Eyewitness News.